My name is Sanjay Singhana. I am from DBS PG College, Dehradun, and today I am going to present a topic Introduction to Paleontology. So first of all, what is paleontology? Paleontology is made up of three words: paleo, onto, and logy. As you can see, paleo means ancient, onto is life, and logy is to study. So paleontology is to study ancient life. So how do we study this ancient life? The proxy or the indirect evidence, or in geology we use fossils. Fossils is actually the remains of ancient lives. Here you can see I have made a collage of four types of fossils. Top left is called trilobites, top right are cephalopods, bottom left are plant fossils, and bottom right is a hominid fossil. So these fossils, how do they form? What are the processes? What are the conditions on they form? We will see today. So first of all, types of fossils. There are mainly 6 types of fossils we observe in nature: mold fossil, preserved fossil, trace fossil, cast fossil, carbonized fossils, petrified fossils. So first of all, mold fossil. If there is a full imprint of animal, it is called a mold. Second is preserved fossil. If whole of the organism is preserved inside an amber, tar, or ice, it's called preserved fossil. Third is trace fossil. It's not actual organism, but the fossil made because of the activity of animal. So these are trace fossils. Fourth is cast fossil. This is just an opposite of mold fossil. The depression that is made by mold, if it gets filled by sediments, is called cast fossils. Fifth is carbonized fossil. If all the organic contents of organisms gets evaporated away due to diagenesis or lithification, only the carbon film remains there. So this carbon film is called carbonization, and it represents a fossil. The last one is petrified fossil, in which the minerals get replaced of all the organisms. Now, second part. What are the conditions which are responsible for the fossilization? There are mainly 3 conditions: rapid barrier, reducing environment, and last, presence of hard part. Rapid barrier means there should be enough sedimentation to cover whole of the body of organism, so no disarticulation can occur. Second is reducing environment, because in oxygenic environment the predators and other organisms will be in abundance, so fossil or organism cannot be easily converted to fossil. Last is presence of hard part. Though the organisms with soft parts do make sometimes good fossils, but it's very rare in nature. The organisms with hard parts have high chances of getting converted to fossils. So friends, this was our today's lecture. Today we talked about what is paleontology and how do we study paleontology, what are fossils, what are the types of fossils, and conditions of fossilization.